getting scared, knowing that this could be something if only I give in. Knowing to give in means giving a part of myself.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a fantastic week. So in today's video, I'm creating this spider Halloween tutorial. It wasn't actually too tricky either, so yeah, but it did take me like 2.5 hours, probably because I was like really fussy and like adding detail and stuff. But anyway, Halloween is already next week. I can't believe it. If you guys do like this look, then please give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday at 8:30 AM New Zealand time, and it would mean the absolute world to me. I say that in like every video, but it honestly would. And before I jump into this tutorial, I wanted to quickly show you something that is like amazing. So many people talk about this brand, and I've seen big celebrities like Kendall Jenner promote this brand as well. It is Daniel Wellington. Obviously with Christmas coming up, it would make the perfect Christmas gift or just birthday gift or just to treat yourself. By the way, you can use the code Alicia Jones to get 15% off online or in store. How amazing is that? Any kind of discount is worth it. Obviously Daniel Wellington is really well known and such good quality. Look how cool these boxes are. Oh my gosh, I got a little bracelet. This looks so cool and so stunning. It's obviously such good quality. You just slide it on your wrist kind of like that and then turn it, and then it's like perfect. Oh, this is gonna go so nicely with some other bangles or the watch itself. And they've also got different bangles that are like different colored and different sizes. I'm gonna show you one of their new watches to their line. So this is called the Iconic Link. So many amazing celebrities are in this campaign, such as Odell Beckham as well as Hailey Bieber. So this is super exciting. So this is their new style that looks so cool. I've never seen a watch like this. You press it in the middle and it like loosens. So this is what it looks like together. They look so classy and so cool. I can't wait to wear them out. Okay, so if you want to know how to get this creepy spider Halloween tutorial, then just keep on watching.
Fighting the feeling that I am in danger, trying to keep looking for
makeup look, I actually really like the way it turned out. My favorite would probably have to be the spider. I think it looks really realistic. This look probably took me like an hour and a half to do in real time. But yeah, I think it looks really cool, and I think for Halloween dress up at work next week, I'm probably going to do the spider on the eye because it's pretty easy and it looks really cool. So yay. Don't forget you can leave any Halloween recommendations, like last minute ideas, down below in the comments. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me, and I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye.